So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Fackered YouTube channel. So it's been a little minute since I uploaded a video. This video right here is just basically going to be an update on what's coming, which there is some pretty cool stuff coming. I'll have a video out, I'm going to say this Saturday, of some more performance work that's coming for the Tiguan. So that'll be cool. Stick around for that. But I do have some pretty cool parts here right now that'll be going on the Tiguan a little bit later on. So brake performance. That's pretty cool, huh? And then this right here, Prismatic Powders. And the powder is, this is called Cheater Blue. Now, it might look like a baby blue here, but I promise you this bag doesn't know justice. It's probably like making it look a little bit lighter than what it actually is. But I did tell you guys that I am doing something that is going to make the rims look a lot better than what they already do, which is an understatement because they already look pretty good. And by the way, I'll just show you this wheel over here. This is my fiance's wheel right here, and that'll be coming up on a new project for the channel here very soon, so stick around for that. That's going to be pretty gnarly. But let's go ahead and open up these boxes and see what these brakes look like. Alright, so let's see what these bad boys look like, guys. Because I'll tell you what, they are going to be freaking awesome looking on this Tiguan right here. I went with these simply because I'm trying to go for a certain look on my Tiguan. So, and I'm trying to build it to be a certain way, you know. So when you're trying to make a certain style on your vehicle, guys, you already know, you gotta go all the way with stuff. And you guys have been watching me build this thing for a while now, and it's almost to the end, just about. Alright, we'll check out the small ones first. Oh man, check this out. Now, like I said, these are from Brake Performance. And I opened that on camera for you guys because I wanted you guys to see this. But this is how they package their stuff. It's pretty dang cool. They had this on bottom, and then they got another piece that it sits on to protect it. Really appreciate that. It's good that they take care of their stuff like that. It's double wrapped in paper. How cool is that? Wow. Guys, that is freaking incredible. This is what my new brakes look like. Now, you may be wondering, why would you order black brakes? Well, these aren't actually gonna remain black. So, what'll happen, as I use the brakes, these will get the coating, the black coating, worn down, and then it'll actually be a really nice silver. And then the little dimples that you see here, and then the little slots that you see here, those are going to be black. So eventually these will be black and silver rotors, which is the look I'm going for. And then, you know, when you guys see these, after they've been worn in, you'll see why I got them. They're really neat. But these are really cool because obviously they're performance, and they are going to help with heating and cooling, you know, of the brakes, so they won't get quite as hot. And to be fair, it's not like I'm going to be pushing it hard enough to actually need these. I'm just going for an aesthetic look. It's all about the looks, guys. At least with me anyways. Because I'm kind of an older guy, and I don't really go out and per se try to race everybody too much. But, you know, I've always wanted a car that has a little bit of power and looks nice, so that's why I'm doing this stuff. This set of brakes right here was $407.26, and it came in a kit. So pad parts, inside hub, they even put it right there for you, which is cool. Again, guys, I'm really sorry this isn't like an action dramatic video, but I just figured I would do an update for you guys. That way, you know, you guys can see kind of what's coming to the channel. Also, I do have an update on my zero turn coming. For those of you that has been around with me for a while, you'll know that some of my earliest videos, I was working on my zero turn, and it has kind of faded out. But it's coming back though. I got an exhaust for it, so because it really needs one, and then you go out and get some new stuff for it. I'm thinking this Friday. So please bear with me, guys. Those of you still watching, I totally appreciate it. I am a goofball. I probably should have put this on time-lapse or something, right? Pretty sure you guys will tear me a new one in the comments. And as far as specs and everything, I'm not going to go over that in this. Well, actually, I can. I can go over that in this video. It's totally cool. Alright, so this is crazy. I got some kind of sensor right here. I don't know what the sensor is for. I guess I'll find out when I start putting them on. My brother will probably know what they're for. He's the brains of the operation. Alright, so these are the premium steel brake pads right here. The reason why I went with steel brake pads is because I was going to go with ceramic, but what happened was they told me that ceramic brakes take a little bit longer to heat up. They do wear better, but they take a little bit longer to heat up, so I didn't want to cause too much heat for the rims, you know what I mean? And that's why and they had a little bit less braking power under normal driving applications. And like I said, I don't really track or, you know, do highway racing at all. Sometimes I might go a little bit fast, but I just got these because they're more practical for me. You know, they're gonna work just as good. I know they are, and they do have a nice rough finish. So getting these drums to the silver color that I so desire will take no time at all. Again, with the wrap, Here's the bigger one. This is obviously for the front. So this is a big boy right here. This is the same size that's already on there. It's not bigger. I didn't go any bigger. They do have race brake kits on apr.com, probably, as well as brake performance as well. They got race brake kits and everything, but like I said, I'm not going for that. Don't need it. You do have your fins on the side right here to also dissipate heat, which is cool. I believe that's standard on most brakes, all brakes probably. But to get into a little bit of the specs with you guys, you need to be careful on what size you order for your Tiguan, because they made a 310 millimeter and they made a 300 millimeter for the Tiguans, and if you get the wrong size, they won't fit. So you don't want to pay $300 and have these things come in and then they not fit, because then you're going to have to send it back and all that. So what you're going to have to do is, if you go through brake performance, they're going to ask you for your VIN number, and then they're going to run your VIN number, and then they're going to tell you, you know, what size you might need. If you have a 2019 Volkswagen SE, which is what I have, more than likely you're going to go with the 300, which is what I did, and it fit. So that's what you're going to need to go for if you have that particular model, and that'll work. So let me see, I got one set there, but in all fairness, I should have another set of pads somewhere. I'm pretty sure, right? Let's check, guys. Did I get all my brake pads, or did I not get all my brake pads? They might have... Oh, no. I did get the other set. Cool. Yeah, so I have an appointment for the Tiguan this Friday, for, like I said, a little bit more performance work, which is going to be awesome, because it's going to be just a little bit faster than what it is now, and it's going to sound a little bit different. And guys, this is exciting for me. So I am going to get something to make it sound a little bit different this Friday, which is cool because you guys are going to be able to benefit from that. And what I mean by that is simply, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my channel with the performance part that I'm about to get put on this Friday, and you guys will be able to hear what it's going to sound like on your vehicle. These are the smaller brake pads here, so they pretty much do what makes sense. They put the small brake pads with the small rotors and the big brake pads with the big rotors, so that's how that's done. But so that's pretty much it for today's video. Like I said, it was just going to be an update on the channel, on what I have coming in, and also I have a new addition to my camera work coming in, so I'm going to be able to shoot videos in a very different way. Can't wait for you guys to see that. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram, where I'll have the latest updates on there before they will make their way to YouTube. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you on the next one.